If your Bosch Intuvia control unit isn't functioning, preventing you from adjusting the support level or using the walking assist mode, try the following steps. Step 1. Check if the display is properly connected to the e-bike system. Turn on the display and see if the speed is shown on the screen. If no information appears, then display might not be connected to the system. Ensure the display is fully seated on the mount by pushing it in until you hear a click. If this didn't help, remove the display and clean the contacts. Inspect both the back of the display and the mount for dirt or corrosion, then clean them thoroughly. Reattach the display, ensuring it clicks into place. If the display connects to the e-bike system, but the control unit still isn't responding, proceed to step 2. Step 2. Check the control unit connection. Start by visually inspecting both the control unit and the wire. If either the controller or the wire is damaged, then the unit might need to be replaced. If they appear fine, disconnect the wire from the onboard computer mount. First, remove the onboard computer. Use a 3mm Allen key to unscrew the 4 bolts on the mount, then take them off the mount casing. Take the mount off the handlebar, flip it upside down, and secure it to the stem using a Velcro strap or cable tie. Detach the contact board from the mount by carefully unscrewing the 4 screws with a PH02 crosshead screwdriver. Inside the mount, you'll find 3 contact springs. Be sure they don't fall out. Remove the screws from the contact board and set them aside. Spray a small amount of contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol on a cloth and clean the contacts on the control unit's contact board and the 3 springs on the mount. If the mount is dirty, clean it with a cloth. Before reattaching the contact board, ensure the red seal is properly placed. Reattach the contact board and secure the mount back onto the handlebar. Connect the onboard computer and test the control unit. If this doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to step 3. Step 3. Replace the control unit. To find a replacement control unit, search for Bosch Intuvia control unit online. A list of sellers will appear. Keep in mind that the units come in 2 colors, platinum and anthracite, so be sure to select the one you prefer. Alternatively, you can contact your local Bosch dealer, which you can find on the Bosch website. I've included the link and the correct part codes in the description below. Once you have the new controller, it's time to replace it. Use a 3mm Allen key to remove the bolt on the control unit clamp. Open the clamp and remove the controller from the handlebar. Take off the display from the mount and remove the mount from the handlebar. Detach the old contact board and attach the new contact board to the control unit. Reattach the mount and secure the new control unit to the handlebar. Test the controller to ensure it works properly. If you're still experiencing issues, it's a good time to contact your local Bosch dealer. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear if this video was helpful and whether you were able to fix an issue with your Bosch Intuvia control unit. Feel free to share your experience in the comments below this video. Your support means a lot and helps this channel grow. Every subscription, like, comment and share, whether with friends on social media or in forums, is truly appreciated. If you're enjoying the content and want to show even more support, consider becoming a channel member. It's a fantastic way to help the channel thrive while getting access to exclusive perks just for you. Joining is easy, just click the link on the screen or in the description below to get started. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.